The Supreme Court continues making headlines for its latest rulings with another high-profile decision today. This ruling is about a case involving prayer during high school sports. KPRC 2's Rilwan Balogan live tonight with that story. Rilwan, this decision by the High Court is being watched closely across the country tonight.
Yeah, absolutely, Daniela. The Supreme Court siding with the Washington State football coach. In the decision, they said that coaches essentially can pray privately on campus as long as they don't force others to join them.
Well, this court decision in favor of Coach Kennedy is a touchdown for prayer and the First Amendment.
Texas Values President Jonathan Saenz celebrating the U.S. Supreme Court decision siding with the Washington State football coach who lost his job for praying after games.
And it sent the message that coaches can engage in these types of prayers.
Coach Joe Kennedy was put on administrative leave after refusing to stop praying at the 50-yard line. He was soon joined by players and other students.
At the end of the day, this is a situation where, while some may see it as the continued erosion of that wall that separates church from state, what Justice Gorsuch said is, look, that wall doesn't mean that we have to disrespect religion in the context of this case.
The conservative group and Attorney General Ken Paxton filed separate amicus briefs supporting Coach Kennedy. Paxton hailing the decision as, quotes, victory for religious liberty, adding in the tweets, the First Amendment absolutely allows public school coaches and their players to pray on field after games. The American Civil Liberties Union writes in a statement, quotes, this decision is deeply disappointing and undermines the religious liberty of public school students. Now, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick in a statement writes, quotes, it is abundantly clear that the government cannot infringe on personal displays of prayer. Reporting live, Rilwan Balogan, KPRC 2 News.